All applications have different requirements from a user experience point of view, and there's different behaviors in the end users of those apps. So it's important to look at your user base and consider what's important for me, that it's as smooth as possible, or that it's as secure as possible, or that it's as fast as possible. And then depending on how each methods perform and what the pricing is for each country, you will land with a different unique mix of methods to use that's ideally suited for your app. When it comes to conversion rate on these different methods, data verification has the highest conversion rate, and then you have SMS verification followed by flash call and phone call verification. Sometimes for a customer that have low average revenue per end user and you want to maximize savings to have as most cost-efficient verification as possible, you probably tend to go with flash call in more destinations as the first method to save as much money as possible. And if your value instead is that it should always work because you have high average revenue per user, you can go with the more expensive, slightly higher conversion rate methods in more countries as the first method. So depending on what type of app you have, what type of user experience you're looking for, how important the security is, how important it is, how fast the method is, each method will have its unique strengths and weaknesses. So a verification product is sold as a REST API, and with this API you initiate verifications and you finalize verifications when reporting the OTP code back. It's very simple to use, and when using the API you specify which of these methods you want to use. The benefit of this is that for all these methods the sequence diagram or the flow is quite similar, so it's easy to build your app to leverage all of these 4 methods using the verification API. The verification API is documented and self-serve, so anyone can just create an account on Sinch.com, read the documentation, get access to the REST APIs and start coding without talking to anyone.